A massive political controversy has broken out over former Home Secretary's claims against his former boss Sushil Kumar Shinde. The first reaction from the Congress party came only this morning, with Digvijay Singh on Twitter questioning RK Singh's timing, asking him why he did not escalate the matter to the Cabinet Secretary or the Prime Minister. Now, finding himself embroiled in the first political fight after joining the BJP, RK Singh hit back at Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh, saying it was impossible that the senior cabinet members were not aware of Sushil Kumar Shinde's actions. And our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins us on the phone line. Kamaljeet, really this is becoming fact versus claim. Digvijay Singh actually raising a pertinent question this morning, the first Congress reaction coming in, as to why RK Singh did not raise the issue earlier. But RK Singh in fact hitting out saying that it could not have been possible that Shinde was shielding Dawood Ibrahim without other ministers being in the know.
Well, accusations flying thick and fast, and remember this is an election year and RK Singh has recently joined BJP, but despite that he was a former Home Secretary. Remember, this is senior most bureaucrat in Home Ministry and he's making some serious charges, mainly three of them. One, that a top businessman who had a link in spot fixing in IPL was shielded by Mr. Shinde. The other being that there were transfers and postings which were done by Mr. Shinde, which basically were done on his own recommendations, and when questioned, Mr. Shinde really denied all these particular charges, saying these kind of things happen. So yes, Mr. RK Singh has basically leveled serious charges against Mr. Shinde, who for now has kept quiet, but it's the Congress party which has come in defense of the Home Minister, clearly saying that if these were the facts, he should have come out earlier. We've seen from the likes of Digvijay Singh and Manish Tiwari hitting out at RK Singh early this morning. We also know that Subramaniam Swamy has gone ahead and said that he is willing to take Mr. Shinde to the court. So yes, this has become all-out war between BJP and Congress at this point of time. But remember, it's the Home Ministry and the official department which is really at stake, which is seen as extremely sensitive.
Kamal, now definitely the Congress is in fact going to question the timing of this statement, because they're going to say it's politically motivated considering he's a newly minted BJP member. So let's try and understand, what is the BJP strategy going to be to that?
Well, definitely they're seeking Mr. Shinde's resignation, saying he doesn't have any moral authority to continue anymore. These are serious allegations that even though that he was talking about Dawood, he's basically shielding a Dawood man, the businessman, and also saying that there was no particular talk about between US and India regarding Dawood. Mr. Shinde was actually making it up since he was part of that particular meeting. RK Singh said that he can say it with authority that there was no such word from the United States. So these are allegations which are very serious in nature. This will raise a lot of questions. Mr. Shinde had been talking about RK Singh, and we know the equation between both of them as the Home Secretary and then the Home Minister was not really well, and Mr. RK Singh is actually admitting it on the interview, saying all was not well between them. And also the fact remains that RK Singh, when he was the Home Secretary, had stuck his neck out, given a few names of right-wing people, saying these were the people who were from RSS, who were involved in right-wing terrorism charges. But we'll really have to say whether he sticks to those charges as he had mentioned it at that point of time as a Home Secretary, or he goes the BJP way and really defends his own party and those decisions at that point of time he had taken as a Home Secretary.
Absolutely, Kamaljeet Sandhu, thank you for bringing us that update. Moving on ahead.